Now we need to hold this thing because we'll bring it to ourselves. In the mind of God, when God makes a promise, he has a particular channel that he must follow. Just like when God said he promised to send a Malachi 4 message, he has a channel that it must follow. You cannot jump up and carry the thing and say it has been revealed to me and run out like that if it's not the provided channel that God has set. Anything apart from that is not the promise of God. If God promised that surely the Lord God will do nothing except he reveals it through his servants, the prophet. If a man stands up, he's a scholar, he's a theologian, he's an apostle, he's a reverend, a right reverend, a left reverend, he wears a bishop cap. If he's not a prophet, then what he's doing is not the promise. It can be a wonderful thing. It can be a wonderful idea, but it's not the promise.